Welcome to Narayana live classes. Today we are discussing about 8th class Forest Using Protection Forest Right Act 2006. Today we are discussing about assignment test. The first question is, why do you think tribal people were not able to pay land revenue demand by the government? Children, and here the first of all we are discussing about then land revenue. The land revenue nothing but the persons and who are cultivate and some of the land and from the natural resource that is called land, they must pay revenue to the government. Is it right? Next, the here then what is that here? Tribal people. We are discussing about tribal people. The tribal people, most of the land utilizing from the forest means natural resources, that is land under controlled by the government. The most of the tribal people and utilizing the land or those are collecting and agriculture, that is called Podu agriculture. That is called Podu agriculture. They are collecting some of the and what is that one agriculture products are from the Podu agriculture, and not only and about it, they are collecting different types of products that is called as agricultural products. Those are BD leaves, bamboo, tamarind, and honey, and are different types of products which are collecting from the nature, that is called and forest products, right? And then one more important thing is and Podu agriculture. Those are collecting and forest products and from the Podu agriculture. These all are called forest products. Those are collecting with nature. Is it right? Right. So these all are collecting to them. At the same time, not only and about them, those are collecting some type of wood. They are collecting other important medicinal and what is that one important and some type of roots and other things. These all are collected and from the forest, but they are not paying any type of tax. They never pay any type of tax. So, and what is that? And when those are not paying, why the other and farmers aren't paying the taxes? Because the tribal people had one of the act, they utilizing forest products and then other important and then those are utilizing some type of Podu agriculture. Podu agriculture. Then we'll go to next at one students. And this is a second question. What was the differences between protection of the forest by the tribal people and by the forest department? Yes, we have separated department that is called forest department. The duty of the forest department, protection of the forest. Is it right? Protection of the forest. Any type of forests are there. Those all type of forest and completely protected by the forest department. Right. Here, then the tribal people are one of the important innocent persons. The persons who are living in the forest. Those are innocent persons. Those who are far away from the civilized and persons. Those are completely uncivilized persons. Here, then what will be a different types of forest and products, and then at the same time, and those are different types of and not only the forest products, and those are they have right to collect the forest product. Number one. Number two, and here the main thing is then those are clear the forest and they cultivate some of the land as Podu agriculture. Is that right? Podu agriculture. At the same time, and they have right to regenerate the and what is that one? Regenerate that what is that one plants. When they cut the forest, again they regenerate the forest. That's why every and important when they clear the forest, again those are for the Podu agriculture. Again those are collecting or again they are and regenerate and some type of plants instead of the place of cutting the trees. Means And not only in that, when they hunt that animals, again those are protecting some type of the animals also, because that they have one of the responsibility, and not only in cutting the forest, and then they regenerate of some of that trees and other things. That's why they have right. Then forest department also not and taking any type of an action upon the tribal people. Next, and here then and again, and those are, that's why the government of and India also, and those are given one type of right, the Forest Act 2006. The Forest Act in 2006 is explaining and about that, and then every and tribal people utilizing different types of products and from the forest. Is that right? And then not only in that, and they must protect that forest and as well as and they regenerate of that plants when and those are utilizing different types of, or they cut that different types of trees and other things. Okay, next, that's why the forest department and made a different types of laws and for the protection of the forest. Okay children, so here then every means here and common people are, any other people are not utilizing forest land and for the cultivation except tribal. Is it clear children? Except tribal. Next, we'll go to third question. Yes, your third question children. Find out how the mangrove trees adapt to the special conditions of sea coasts. Already you know about that. What is the meaning of the sea coast? The region or the place which is situated in the bank of the sea or ocean. That is called sea coast. Is it right? Then here, then what will you mangrove forest? What is the question? Mangrove forest means our mangrove trees. Mangrove trees nothing but here the trees and which are growing, the large roots or the long roots when they are growing in the bank of the sea or ocean, and such trees are known as mangrove forest. Is it right? Or mangrove trees. So here the special conditions, why, how those are growing, they are in most of the and mangrove forests are and growing in the coastal area because salt water is the more and it is very and helpful to it. And second one is mangrove forest we are and found and in the marshy areas. Marshy areas nothing but and which is in complete and connect with sandy land or sandy and area. Yes. Then and here they have long roots. The trees have the long roots, and then not only in that, and the number of and means what is that one areas, and especially in the West Bengal. Especially in the West Bengal, the most of the mangrove trees are very helpful. The one more important thing is the mangrove trees are utilizing and for and paper and which are utilizing for currency. Which are utilizing for currency. Okay, next. And here the main and thing is, and one of the important main other important things are, and most of the and areas are and completely utilizing and in the tidal and means and here means what is the meaning of the tidal waves when those are moving from one place to another, and then on that time the mangrove trees are completely helpful and to the coastal region, helpful to the coastal region. Already I said, and they have long roots and those are protecting and to the coastal region. That's why the mangrove trees are growing very and well. And then here and that these type of and roots are known as they have the roots to breathe. Then and here marshy soil and which is and what is that? It is a very and helpful and for the soil does not and contain oxygen. The soil means and here the soil does not contain oxygen means here then and most of the soil and complete and contain oxygen, but here the marshy and areas are not and utilizing or and those are and not reproduce the oxygen. So these are and important and things and children, and then and it is a very and important lesson. I hope you understood and about this assignment. Thank you.